Wait, why these knives dress like rich auntie at music festival? Primitive Queen open box expecting normal cooking tools. Instead receive rainbow paisley luxury food swords. Human females absolutely incapable of making anything normal anymore. Even knife need aesthetic now. And honestly, Primitive Queen kinda obsessed. The blades shiny rainbow. Handles colorful. Paisley pattern look fancy for absolutely no reason. This not kitchen tool anymore. This emotional support cookware. Primitive Queen suddenly want entire kitchen color coordinated with tiny plant near window. Modern civilization infecting brain. Apparently these knives German stainless steel, dishwasher safe, and come with blade covers too. Very practical for something that looked like Lisa Frank entered culinary school. And surprisingly, these things actually sharp. Primitive Queen slice vegetables so smoothly. Primitive Queen accidentally whisper chef behavior. Very embarrassing moment. Different knives for different jobs too. Tiny knife, big knife, bread knife. Human kitchen culture truly believe every tomato deserve unique experience. But Primitive Queen admit, cooking feel more fun with pretty tools. That the dangerous part. Because now Primitive Queen understand why humans buy aesthetic products they absolutely do not need. One rainbow knife and suddenly whole personality change. Primitive Queen now considering decorative fruit bowl. Send help. Only issue? If tribe prefer plain boring kitchen with serious chef energy, these probably not for you. These knives loud. These knives dramatic. These knives definitely own scented candles. But if tribe love colorful kitchen vibes, cute cooking gadgets, or simply want knives that spark joy instead of depression, honestly solid set. Primitive Queen expected gimmick. Received surprisingly functional art project. Very confusing emotional journey. Overall verdict? Sharp, cute, fun. Human obsession with aesthetic honestly exhausting, but Primitive Queen finally understand. Amazon link below if tribe want fabulous rainbow cooking energy too. Subscribe for more Amazon finds for Primitive Queens before Primitive Queen starts calling kitchen creative space.